I ordered myself a budget-friendly gaming kit by Ant ESPORTS KM500W Pro Backlight Gaming Combo Kit, which comes here with 1 year warranty. The mouse is designed for comfort and precision with 7 adjustable DPI settings ensuring smooth tackling and progressiveness in gaming. It is backlit and is so premium to touch. The keyboard of the keys include anti-ghosting keys, multimedia controls, which makes it premium and stand out from the other competitives. It is a solid choice for both gaming enthusiasts and casual users as it is backlit with 7 multicolor lighting and modes. I'll be plugging this product for the first time, so let's check the performance. And I'm impressed. The keys mechanical feels offer a satisfying click while the mouse ergonomic design fits really well. To wrap, anti-sports combo is a performance style without breaking the bank.